Want to explode your YouTube channel's growth and get your videos seen by thousands? Today, we're diving deep into how to use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel, turning viewers into loyal subscribers first. Head over to Google.com and sign in with your Google account if you don't have one. It's quick and free to create. Once you're in, click on New Campaign now. Choose your campaign objective for YouTube promotion, brand awareness, and reach, or video views are excellent choices. Let's go with video views for this tutorial. Next, select the video campaign type. This ensures your ads are tailored specifically for YouTube. After that, you'll need to set your budget. You can choose a daily budget or a campaign total budget. Start with a smaller budget to test the waters, like $5 to $10 a day. Now comes the crucial part. Targeting. Google Ads allows you to target viewers based on demographics, interests, and even specific keywords related to your video content. Experiment with different targeting options to find what works best for your audience. Moving on to bidding strategies for beginners, maximum CPV cost per view is a good starting point. This means you'll pay each time someone watches your video ad. Set a bid that you're comfortable with paying per view, usually a few cents. Now it's time to create your ad. You'll need to link your YouTube video to the ad, then craft compelling ad copy, a headline and description that grabs attention and entices viewers to click. Finally, review your campaign settings to make sure everything is correct and launch your campaign after your campaign is running. It's important to track its performance. Monitor key metrics like views, impressions, and cost per view in your Google Ads dashboard. This data will help you optimize your campaign for maximum ROI. By using Google Ads strategically, you can supercharge your YouTube channel's growth and reach a wider audience. Good luck!